Bert flew around the aquarium.
Look at all these fish.
She said.
I wish Kip was here.
Kip roamed around the aquarium.
Look at all these fish.
She said.
I wish Bert was here.
Bert saw an octopus. She thought a huge stingray. She fed some sea turtle. Kip spotted a shark. It looked scary and mean, and it had lots of shark teeth.
Ah!
Cried Kip. Kip ran away from the shark. He ran as fast as he could.
Crash! Squawk!
Cried Bert.
Sorry about that,
said Kip. Then Bert and Kip looked at each other.
You are here,
they both said. The two friends laughed.
I am glad you are here, Bert,
said Kip.
The aquarium will be more fun with you. And I am glad you are here, Kip,
said Bert.
Everything be more fun with you.